Hi,
Hi,
what is your name?
my name is Sneha.
Which class are you studying?
Studying in UKG.
UKG. Okay. Now the activity on before, after, between numbers. Okay.
Okay.
Do you ready? Are you ready? Can I say numbers?
Say
Okay. Say before number of 25.
24,
24. Next, before number of 18.
17,
17. Before number of 29.
28,
Okay. After number of 37.
38,
38. Next, after number of 33.
34,
34. Good boy. Next, after number of 45.
46,
46. Before number of 48.
47,
Good boy. Between number of 28 and 30.
29,
Very good. Between number of 37 and 39.
38,
Okay. After number of 49.
50.
Very good boy. Clap to Shivansh.